Alright, so before me, you see the parts to a kit that I've been putting off for a very long time because I'm not entirely too sure how I want to film it. It's got a lot of really repetitive soldering to do, which I can do on camera, unedited, and just try to ramble and talk, maybe do a Q&A kind of thing. And it's also got a lot of LEDs, so there's going to be a lot of really repetitive stuff. So I can do this one of two ways. I can do the whole thing unedited, maybe in one or two parts, and just do kind of a Q&A, rambly, whatever thing. Or I can hope that I can nurse my computer back to health sufficiently that I can speed up those sections so that they go by faster, or just edit them out, so that, it's just, I'll solder a couple, and then there will be a jump cut, and then we'll move on to the next section. So I'm going to put a poll up for that right here. This is also going to be an experiment because I haven't done polls before. So a poll for either unedited video or edited video for the construction of this. And the other question is, and I've been thinking about this myself. Now this came with some, rather, oh, that battery is dead. Let's try this one. Long way down the long side. So, came with green LEDs. Now I was thinking, as I was digging around, because I lost the little baggie that the LEDs that it came with were in, I was thinking it might be interesting to build it with these LEDs, which are not working very well on this thing. But they're the orange flicker, so those sort of pseudo flame LEDs. And I was thinking it might look kind of interesting to build it with the flicker LEDs. So I really hope it lets me do two polls, otherwise this video is going to be really dumb. So there will be a second poll right here to do either the green LEDs or the orange flicker LEDs. So this video is mostly an engagement experiment with you folks. See how many people actually watch their way through, have you guys express some opinions, how you want me to proceed and all of that. So, I'm just going to skip the regular outro. You know what to do if you liked it, and we'll see you on the next time. Bye-bye.